we have completed our first exercise by knowing the place values and writing numbers into number names and number names into numbers. Like this, we have completed first exercise. Now, we want to know about a successor and a predecessor. Successor and the next one is what? Predecessor. What is successor and what is a predecessor? Okay. What is successor means? If a number is given, just the number comes after it is called the successor. If a number is given, for example, I have given a number 237. This is a number. What is the number comes after this? What is the number comes after this? 238. So this 238 is called as the successor. In the small classes, in the second and first class, you learned before numbers, after numbers. I think you remember them. Before number, after number. After number means if 237 is given, then the next number is 238. This is after number. This after number is called a successor. Okay. What is successor means? What you can say? The successor is a number that comes after the given number. Okay. That comes just after the given number. So, for example, 237 is given. We will get 238 after this. This is called as a successor. How we are getting successor means, if this number is given, if you add 1 to that number, add 1, 237 plus 1, how much you will get? 237 plus 1 means you will get 238, that is successor. So, what I said, to get a successor, what we have to do? Add 1 to the given number. To get successor, what we have to do? Add 1 to the given number. And next one is what? Predecessor. What is predecessor means? The number just comes before that. That is called as a predecessor. 237 is the number given. What is the number before 237? Before 237, what we will get? 236. This 236 is called a predecessor. Okay, predecessor. What is predecessor means? What we can say? Predecessor is a number which comes just before the given number. That is called as predecessor. Okay, how we get it? I said by adding 1 we will get the next number, means successor we are getting. By subtracting 1, for example 237 minus 1, what you will get? From 237 if you subtract 1, what you will get? 236. This 236 is nothing but a predecessor of that number. So to get a predecessor, what we have to do? To get a predecessor, subtract 1 from the given number. Okay, children? I think you learned how to write successor and predecessor. If you add 1 to the given number, then you will get successor. If you subtract 1 from the given number, you will get which one? Predecessor. Next, comparing of numbers. Comparing of numbers means we have to compare whether which number is big and which number is small. Bigger numbers, smaller numbers, you have to compare. For example, I have given a number like this: 538, 762. Which is a bigger number? 762 is a bigger number. You already know this. Okay. If I have given a number like this, 1,27,362, 1,27,365, which is the bigger number? Which is the bigger number means starting numbers 1 1 same, second numbers 2 2 same, third one 7 7 same, 3 3 same, 6 6 same. But 2 and 5, which is bigger? 5 is bigger. So this is the bigger number. In this way we have to identify the bigger numbers. Now use the symbols less than, greater than. Less than, greater than are equal symbols. So which is bigger in these two numbers? 762 is bigger. Then what we can say? 538 is less than 762. Less than. So the symbol of less than is this one. Okay. These 2 points towards the bigger number. Always you remember this 1 point towards which one? Smaller number, and 2 will towards which one? Bigger number. So in these also, which is the bigger number? This one. So write like this. This symbol is called what? Less than. So it is left hand, it is like this. That's why nothing but less than. Left hand, less than. Okay. So by observing these two, writing successor and predecessor, and next writing less than, greater than, and equal symbols, we can complete the first bit and second bit of exercise 1.2. So let us open exercise 1.2, page number 11. Exercise 1.2. In that, the first bit. What is the first bit? Write the predecessors and successors of the following numbers. Write the predecessors and the successor for the following numbers. Okay, just I will say 1 or 2 examples. You have to complete the remaining. Nothing is there. Add 1 and subtract 1, then directly you will get. What is the first number is given? 41, 27, 799. So how can you read this number? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So lakhs. 41 lakhs 27,799. This is the given number. 41 lakhs 27,799. What we have to write? We have to write predecessor and successor for that number. How we can write predecessor? I already said predecessor means subtract 1 from the given number. What is the number given here? 41 lakhs 27,799. From this number, how much we have to subtract? 1. Then what you will get? If you subtract 1 from this, what you will get? 41,027,799 minus 1. How much? 8. So this is the predecessor. 41 lakhs 27,798. Just before number you have to write. Now to get the successor, what we have to write? 41 lakhs 27,799. To write successor, add 1. Add 1 to the number. What you will get? 41, 27, 799. 1 is adding. 9 plus 1, how much? 10. 1 carry. 9 plus 1, how much? 10. 1 carry. 1 plus 7, how much? 8. So remaining all same. What is the number we are getting here? 41 lakhs 27,800. This is the successor for the given number. Okay. To write the successors and predecessors, what we have to do? To get successor, add 1. To get predecessor, subtract 1. Just before numbers, after numbers only you have to write it. Okay. For example, one more number B. What is that? 37 lakhs 80,000 9. 37 lakhs 80,000 9. So first write the predecessor. What is the predecessor? Just before number. If you don't know before number, what you have to do? 37,000 lakhs 80,009. This is the number given. Minus 1 you have to do. Okay. What is the last digit? 9. If you subtract 1 from that, what you will get? 8 at the end. So 37 lakhs 80,008. That is the predecessor. And what is successor? 37 lakhs 80,009. Successor means what you have to do? Add 1 to that number. After 9, what will you get? 10. So, how will you write? 37 lakhs 80,000 and 10. Okay, this is the successor. Like this, you have to complete first bit of this exercise 1.2. What are the problems given in the first bit? C. 66 lakhs 89,765. What is D? D is 8 crores 34 lakhs 78,999. Next E. 98 lakh 89,049. Next F. 8 crores 45,99,999. 8 crores 45 lakh 99,999. So these are the numbers given. You write the successors and predecessors for that given numbers. Okay, what is called successor? The number just comes after the given number, that is called as successor. The number just before the given number, that is called as predecessor. To get the successor, you have to add 1 to the given number. To get the predecessor, you subtract 1 from the given number. Okay. Then next one. What next? Already said comparing of numbers means we can able to say which number is bigger and which number is smaller in the given book. Okay.